Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 version on Lubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on Lubuntu operating systems. First open the web browser, that is Firefox, which is the default browser, comes with Lubuntu operating systems. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Click on download. Then select Linux, then scroll down, then select Ubuntu. Then see here the PostgreSQL M repositories currently supports on Flucky 25.0, 24.10, 24.04 and others. So I am on Lubuntu 24.04. These are the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So open terminal, system tools, qterminal. Then we have to run these commands one by one. Copy this one. It is going to install CS certificates. If it is not installed, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already installed. Now import signing key. Execute this one. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now run this one from this dot to OS release. Paste it, hit enter. Now run this entire line. Copy it, copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you want to install 17, we have to give -17. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install, give 15. Okay. If you want to install latest version, don't give any version number. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 17. Okay, it is the latest version. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, installation is completed. See here the default values, max connections 200, shared buffer size to 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is running. It is active. Okay, and it is enabled. Qt Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL Server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, this is the version of the PostgreSQL Server, that is PostgreSQL 17.5. Qt. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. Qt. You can also get the list of the users by running the command select use name from pg_user. See, we have only one user, so set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then provide the password. Put semicolon. Hit enter. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Okay, Qt. You can also get this same list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create database by running the command create database bank. Now verify again. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create table. To switch to database, we have to use the command /c or /connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, now we are connected to database bank as user Postgres. Control it. Now verify list of tables. We don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table, this is the type of the object, and this is the owner of this table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. See, we don't have any data. Okay, so insert. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify /du or q to quit. Select username from pg_user. See, these are the users. Now we will connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. So exit from the PostgreSQL server. To exit from the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command /q PSQL-u. You must be caps. Then username is David-h. H means hostname, localhost. Then -d. Provide the database name Postgres. Hit enter. Then we have to provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. David123. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. /c, then name of the database. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created. Select star from customer. See, permission denied for table customer, because we have created table but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, q to quit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 17 on Lubuntu 24.04. Q to quit. See, this is the Postgres user, so we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this user. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Sudo verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service inactive or dead. Okay, you took it. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, so start it. Exit. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Okay, Q to kit, Control A. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted. Q to quit, Control it. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dpr. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dpr on Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Lubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.